Hello everyone, welcome back to HowLogical. In today's tutorial, I'm going to help you learn how to activate and register Vanilla gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you have a Vanilla gift card on your hand and you want to activate and register, then go to your web browser first and then type in www.vanillagift.com and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page, accept to the terms and services, and sign into your account first. Go to the upper left corner and tap on the hamburger menu and tap on the sign in button in order to sign into your account. Enter your email and your password in order to log into your account first. After you sign into your account, go to the upper left corner one more time and tap on the hamburger menu, and from the options tap on have a vanilla gift card check balance option over here. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Go ahead and enter your card number in the first text field. Once you type in your card number, go to the next field and type in the expiration date for your card, and then type in the 3 digits CVV number. After you do that, tap on sign in. After you do that, you'll be able to activate and register your Vanilla gift card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.